Hopefully it doesn't shut off again. I don't know what happened there. That is really pretty. That's that Rustoleum's Glacier Blue. Let's see. I think I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna make sure I get all my air bubbles out of here. Just want to make sure I get all the air bubbles. We don't want to have any little white dots popping through this. It's really pretty. Okay, I'm going to leave it the way it is. I'm going to bring it down for a close-up. All right, look at those blue cells from that Decoart's metallic sapphire. Crazy. These ones are cool on the black. Like that. I do thank everybody for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And we'll come back again and comment what you think. Anything you'd like to see me do, comment below. Like and subscribe and share and all that fun stuff. It helps out my channel. I'm working my way to get to 1,000. Then I can get monetized. Woo, finally. Slowly getting there, but I'm getting there, and I do appreciate every one of you guys. I hope everybody is healthy and safe. Healthy in general and safe from COVID. Look at those with the little white spot in the middle. Cool. I do thank you guys for watching, and all your support means so much to me. Have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye.